Section Table of Contents page. 1. Introduction. 3. 2 Things to know before starting your vehicle. Point 9. 3. Understanding the features of your vehicle. Point 8. 3. 4. Instrument panel and controls. 185. 5. Starting and operating. 273. 6. What to do in emergencies. Point 383. 7. Maintaining your vehicle. 395. 8. Maintenance schedules. 451. 9. If you need consumer assistance. Point 459. 10. Index. 469. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ostrazizani, Strona bez zawardisai. Introduction. Contents. M. Introduction. 4. M. Rollover warning. 4. M. How to use this manual. 5. M. Warnings and cautions. 7. M. Vehicle identification number. 7. M. Vehicle modifications/alterations. 8. 1. Introduction. This manual has been prepared with the assistance of service and engineering specialists to acquaint you with the operation and maintenance of your new vehicle. It is supplemented by a warranty information booklet and various customer-oriented documents. You are urged to read these publications carefully. Following the instructions and recommendations in this manual will help assure safe and enjoyable operation of your vehicle. Note: after you read the manual, it should be stored in the vehicle for convenient reference and remain with the vehicle when sold, so that the new owner will be aware of all safety warnings. When it comes to service, remember that your dealer knows your vehicle best, has the factory-trained technicians and genuine Mopar parts, and is interested in your satisfaction. Rollover warning. Utility vehicles have a significantly higher rollover rate than other types of vehicles. This vehicle has a higher ground clearance and a higher center of gravity than many passenger cars. It is capable of performing better in a wide variety of off-road applications. Driven in an unsafe manner, all vehicles can be caused to go out of control. Because of the higher center of gravity, if this vehicle is out of control, it may roll over when some other vehicles may not. Do not attempt sharp turns or abrupt maneuvers or other unsafe driving actions that can cause loss of vehicle control. Failure to operate this vehicle safely may result in an accident, rollover of the vehicle, and severe or fatal injury. Drive carefully. 4. Introduction. Failure to use driver and passenger seat belts provided is a major cause of severe or fatal injury. In fact, the U.S. government notes that the universal use of existing seat belts could cut the highway death toll by 10,000 or more each year, and could reduce disabling injuries by 2 million annually. In a rollover crash, an unbelted person is significantly more likely to die than a person wearing a seat belt. Always buckle up. How to use this manual. Consult the table of contents to determine which section contains the information you desire. The detailed index, at the rear of this manual, contains a complete listing of all subjects. Consult the following table for a description of the symbols that may be used on your vehicle or throughout this owner manual. Rollover warning label. Introduction. 5. 1. 6. Introduction. Warnings and cautions. This manual contains warnings against operating procedures, which could result in an accident or bodily injury. It also contains cautions against procedures which could result in damage to your vehicle. If you do not read this entire manual, you may miss important information. Observe all warnings and cautions. Vehicle Identification Number. The Vehicle Identification Number, VIN, is found on the left front corner of the instrument panel. The VIN is visible from outside of the vehicle through the windshield. This number also appears on the automobile information disclosure label affixed to a window on your vehicle, the vehicle registration, and the title. Note, it is illegal to remove the VIN. Vehicle Identification Number. Introduction 7. 1. Vehicle Modifications/Alterations. Warning. Any modifications or alterations to this vehicle could seriously affect its roadworthiness and safety and may lead to an accident resulting in serious injury or death. 8. Introduction. Things to know before starting your vehicle. Contents. A word about your keys. 12. N ignition key removal. 12. N key in ignition reminder. 14.